Bonjour!
Welcome to Brussels, welcome to Texas.
Welcome to Brussels. Welcome to Chef's Passion, where we promote healthy living and exploring new places. Today, we're in Brussels, and I'm excited to take you on a tour of this amazing city. Brussels is known for its historic architecture, cultural landmarks, and delicious food. Let's start our tour by exploring the Grand Platz, one of the most beautiful squares in Europe. The Grand Platz is surrounded by historic buildings that date back to the 17th century. It's a great place to take a stroll, admire the architecture, and grab a bite to eat at one of the many restaurants and cafes. Next, let's head over to one of the cathedrals. The impressive Gothic style of the cathedrals dates back to the 13th century, and they are one of the most iconic landmarks in all of Brussels. For a peaceful break from the city, let's head over to one of the parks. This beautiful park features manicured gardens, fountains, trees, and many different types of playgrounds for kids to come and have fun. Of course, no trip to Brussels would be complete without trying some of the local cuisine. Yummy. Belgian chocolate and waffles are world famous, and there are plenty of cafes and shops where you can indulge in these delicious treats. Finally, we have the Royal Palace of Brussels, the official residence of the Belgian royal family. Although the palace is only open to the public during the summer months, you can still admire its grand facade and learn about its history from the outside. That's just a taste of the many landmarks and cultural hotspots that Brussels has to offer. I really want to come visit again, but next time it's going to have to be in summer. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed Brussels, and we're going off to our next destination. And make sure you watch the next video so you know exactly where we're going. See you later.
See you in the next video.